cruise control. On I-35 riding, baby. I know she'll cut off when I come to a stop. So far, I got, since I've been on the gas, she ain't stopped, but she kind of feel like that little, like she want to stop, but she keep going. Cause that the mass airflow sensor. We driving to Austin, man. We hoping we make it there. We made it before. This is not my first time driving to work in it. But I mean, I drove it with a different fuel pump in it. This is a new fuel pump, a fuel filter. So let's see what she do, man. We are on the interstate. Interstate 35, baby.
She my little champion. She my little keeper. She my little champion. She my little keeper. She my little keeper. When she at my house, she be rolling up my reefer. Nigga, have you seen her? I'm talking about, have you seen her? Bitch, I'm fine, make committed a crime. She my misdemeanor. She my little champion. She my little keeper. She my little champion. She my little bustin' baby. I ain't gon' lie, the little bit fat, she got me going crazy. She on OnlyFans, we split the profit. Sometimes I get a little jealous. She like, daddy, stop it. What you want for breakfast? What you want for lunch? I be eating on that little pussy like it's Captain Crunch. She throw it back, I hit her with the daddy stroke. She be moaning and screaming, we got the neighbors woke. I'm out here straight getting it. She know I'm about business. I don't play little boy games. She like the way that I'm serious. Her nigga straight cap. That nigga ain't shit. That's why she calling my phone. She tryna jump on my dick. She my champion.
Alright. So it's two 10mm screws holding it in. Got the lock, hanger, and then you got the actual door handle pull up there. What I got going on. So I hooked up in there. Once I get this light where it needs to be, come back in with the 2mm 10 volts. See, it's color matched behind there. We'll get back to it. Alright, y'all, this is my old throttle body. This is a newer, updated throttle body. Y'all see the difference? This the old one. This the new one. It's deeper. A little bigger bore. Circle on it is bigger. This here, smaller. It's got all that. This one here, just a straight circle. And I just cleaned it out. I'm cleaning it, actually cleaning this one out now. I just got this one from the yard. The massive airflow sensor is different. If you notice on this one, it's 2 nipples on it. This one is 1 nipple. So this is on a, this is from a 97. This is probably from a 98 to 05 throttle body. Everything else bolts up the same, connects the same. For the TPS, the idle air control, and the only difference is the map, the mass airflow sensor. That's the code I'm getting. So I'm swapping out to this one from that one. Let me show y'all the inside. And that, y'all see how far the mass airflow sensor go down in it? That's the newer one. This one, see how it's got the metal thing in it? That's the difference. Change that throttle body out. Throttle body was the issue. But we still got another code. We got a P1133 popping up. It's telling me that it's the First Bank O2 sensor, which I changed this up O2 sensor out. So it makes me believe that it's either the pigtail or the O2 upper stream O2 sensor, or I got an exhaust leak right there where the downpipe come in at. Alright, I'm trying to put this cabin air filter in. It's a 3-piece setup. This is the part number. This is the door. It's located right up in there. Y'all can see it's filthy already, all the leaves coming out. So they say, you see that tab up there? See that little tab? So I'm supposed to pull on that. Each filter will come out. It's 3 of them. You pull one of them out, the other one will drop down, pull that one out, the other one will drop down, you pull that out. So that's what I got going. Alright, that's one of the cabin air filters. Like I say, there's 3 strips of those. You pull this one out, the other one is on top of it, and the other one is on top of that. So, what we looking like? I see the dirt in the leaves. Yeah, it's disgusting, y'all. You gotta get that up out of there. That's what you breathe as soon as you turn on the AC or heater. You can't have that. That's how you get sick. And that's probably the original one, y'all. Alright, y'all, here come the second one. Gonna come out. Y'all can see. See all the dirt and leaves. That's what you don't want to breathe. So it's got the little tabs. Alright, so second one there. And I got one more in there. Y'all see that tab? So that's the bottom. Try to get this to drop down. Yeah, I definitely feel it in there. The last one right there. That's what y'all don't want. There you go. Now we're gonna vacuum this out. I'm gonna vacuum that out real good. So when I put the new one in and we know it's fresh. Put y'all in there. That's the door right there. We're gonna vacuum all that out. Went in through the little screen up on there. So I wouldn't have to take out my factory deck. You know, a little update, man, a little upgrade, man, on this car. Got the Google Maps. It's Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, all that up on there. I gotta hook up the reverse camera to it. And you know, we ride.